Welcome back, lottery fans, and we are now in the middle of December, so it's time for us to go ahead and do our mid-month review of the numbers in the number vault. For those of you that don't know, real quick reminder, the number vault is a pick 3 and pick 4 lottery tip sheet that I put out every single month from lotterypredictor.com. It's filled with pick 3 numbers and pick 4 numbers. I do all the rundowns, do all the algorithms, got a whole bunch of stuff going on, and I pick state by state numbers for you to go ahead and pick your numbers. It's 50 pages. You get every single state in here. You've got lots of numbers. There's a comment section as well that's hidden for all different states. But I don't just like to say go ahead and get these numbers and pick the numbers for you. I like you to go ahead and see that these numbers are winning. So I go ahead and twice a month I'll do a review. At the end of the month I do a full review where I show you every single number that's hit for all the states we're tracking. I show you what day it hit on, what the number was, what section in the number vault. Full transparency, so you see all of that. But in the middle of the month, just as a teaser, we like to go ahead and do a little bit of a little teaser, show you so far in the month how many we've hit for each of the states we're tracking in terms of how many pick 3 box hits, how many pick 3 straight hits, pick 4 box hits, pick 4 straight hits, and then of course the total amount of hits and the total amount of money you could be winning if you'd pick those numbers based on a $1 bet. But you can go ahead and get December right now. It's still available. The link is down below in the description, or just go to lotterypredictor.com and you can pick it up from there. It's in the menu or it's in the footer. It's really simple to find, and I highly recommend getting the annual subscription for it because it's a super value. You get 40% off. That's literally 5 months completely for free, and it is a super low price. It is less than the price of a cup of coffee per month. So very good, and the amount of money that you could be winning out of this if you pick the right numbers out of this, well, you'll see as we go through this, because you'll see. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into it. For those of you who've seen this before, you know how this works. Basically we're tracking about 25 different states so far, but don't worry if your state isn't in here. It is in the number vault. If you're in the US and you've got a pick 3 or pick 4 lottery, then your numbers are in the number vault, but we're tracking about 25 different states just to keep it lean. When we go through lowest amount of winnings so far to highest amount of winnings, showing you where those hits have been happening, so you actually see that. But let's go ahead and jump into it. So our first state up is Arizona this month. So far in the last couple of weeks, Arizona has won a potential $740. It has had 4 total hits, 3 of which were pick 3 box hits, and it's already had a pick 3 straight hit. So already our lowest state has had a potential to win $740 out of the numbers in the number vault. Only goes up from there. Pennsylvania, $840 in potential earnings, 6 total hits, 3 pick 3 box hits, and 3 pick 4 box hits. North Carolina breaks into the 4-digit range, $1,120, 11 total hits, 9 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 3 straight hit, 2 pick 4 box hits rather. Arkansas just ahead of North Carolina with $1,160, 13 total hits. That's almost a hit every single day out of the numbers in the number vault. 12 pick 3 box hits and 1 pick 4 box hit. Connecticut matching Arkansas with $1,160, 10 total hits, 7 of which are pick 3 box hits, and 3 are pick 4 box hits. Kentucky jumping up all the way up to $1,480. 14 total hits, 11 pick 3 box hits, and 3 pick 4 box hits. And just as a teaser before I get too very far into this, we do have a state that has hit in the 5-digit range already in just the last 2 weeks. That's right, one state has already had a potential for $10,000 from the numbers from the number vault. So definitely pay attention, stay tuned so you'll find out what that state is. If you think you can guess it, go ahead and comment below. Next up we have Ohio, $1,740, 12 total hits so far, 8 pick 3 box hits, 1 pick 3 straight hit, and 3 pick 4 box hits. Indiana next, $1,900, 14 total hits, 10 are pick 3 box hits, 1 is a pick 3 straight hit, and 3 is a pick 4 box hit. Breaking into the $2,000 range is Virginia, $2,280, 15 total hits. That's 1 every single day. 1 hit every single day. If you're playing the right numbers out of the number vault tip sheet, you'd have been hitting every single day if you're in Virginia. 11 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 3 straight hits, and 2 pick 4 box hits. New York up next, $2,300, 19 total hits. That's a massive amount there. New York bringing it this month. 15 pick 3 box hits, 1 pick 3 straight hit, and 3 pick 4 box hits. Michigan up next, $2,520, 15 total hits, 9 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 3 straight hits, and 4 pick 4 box hits. Then we have New Jersey, Maryland, getting a little bit of ahead of myself there. Maryland coming in at $2,860, 20 total hits, 12 pick 3 box hits, 1 pick 3 straight hits, and 7 pick 4 box hits. I teased it, but here's New Jersey, $3,000. New Jersey breaking into $3,000, outdoing New York so far this month. Will New York pull it back before the end of the month? Definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel so you catch the video at the end of the month just to see whether or not New Jersey still beats New York in the amount of winnings out of the number vault. 20 total hits, 13 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 3 straight hits, and 5 pick 4 box hits. South Carolina also with $3,040. Almost exact match there for New Jersey. 20 total hits, 13 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 3 straight hits, and 5 pick 4 box hits. Ontario, first of our 2 Canadian provinces, $3,100, 17 total hits so far, 10 pick 3 box hits, 3 pick 3 straight hits, and 4 pick 4 box hits. California, $3,120, 9 pick 3 box hits, 4 pick 3 straight hits, and 2 pick 4 box hits. Next up we have Texas. Texas hitting it big. Our most amount of hits so far, 21 total hits, $3,120 matching California, 14 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 3 straight hits, and 5 pick 4 box hits. Right, let me shift up the page here without showing you those winnings here so I can show you the rest. Next up we have Missouri. Missouri breaking into that $4,000 range. 26 total hits out of Missouri. Missouri is crushing it. Missouri, you are on fire this month in the number vault. 26 total hits, 15 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 3 straight hits, and a massive 9 pick 4 box hits. Florida, 15 total hits, $4,140 in potential winnings, 8 pick 3 box hits, massive 7 pick 3 straight hits. That is huge for Florida there. Tennessee coming in next, $5,540 in potential earnings, 28 total hits in Tennessee, 13 pick 3 box hits, 5 pick 3 straight hits, and 10 pick 4 box hits. Then we have Louisiana. Louisiana, it's one of those states that does not have a lot of lotteries. I think it has one evening and one, that's it. Maybe it has 2 now. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But it always shows really well in the number vault. $5,640, 6 total hits, 3 pick 3 box hits, 2 pick 4 box hits, and 1 pick 4 straight hits. And I bet you after winning the Heisman, Joe Burrow is probably playing those numbers and winning that too. Winning the lottery and winning the Heisman. So go Tigers, good job Joe Burrow. Western Canada, total of 10 total hits, $7,340. 3 pick 3 box hits, 3 pick 3 straight hits, 3 pick 4 box hits, and 1 pick 4 straight hit. Then we have Illinois. Illinois coming in with 19 total hits, $7,520. 19 hits, 14 of which were pick 3 box hits, 2 are pick 3 straight hits, 2 are pick 4 box hits, and 1 pick 4 straight hits. It's those pick 4 straight hits that we look for because those are the ones that really make the difference in the dollar amounts there. And finally we have Georgia. Georgia coming in, our top earner so far, just in 2 weeks, $10,140 in potential winnings. If you'd been playing the Georgia numbers out of here, if you picked the right ones out of the number vault, then you could have potentially got $10,140. As always, play responsibly because there's a lot of numbers. You have to be smart about what you play, but they are in there. 27 total hits, 13 pick 3 box hits, 5 pick 3 straight hits, 8 pick 4 box hits, and 1 pick 4 straight hits. So very good showing there. So all in all, a fantastic showing so far in the number vault. Massive numbers already. If you think Georgia's going to hold on to that first place position, definitely let me know in the comments below. Also, definitely let me know if you think one of these is going to do better. Maybe Louisiana's really going to pull it out and show a surprise and come out first. It has happened in the past where we've seen these smaller states really show it up in the last couple of weeks of the month. There are still a couple of weeks. There are still plenty of numbers to be playing, plenty of opportunity. As I said, Play responsibly. There's a lot of numbers in here. I'll leave a link down below in the description as to how I recommend playing this if you're a beginner lottery player or more experienced in terms of which sections to pick from, picking only a few numbers, stuff like that. But definitely check that out as well. And of course, go ahead and grab your edition of the Number Vault. It's a lot of fun to go ahead and browse through the numbers in here, picking out your numbers, playing the numbers, seeing which section works for you, and hopefully winning some money out of this. The link is down below in the description, and of course you can go to lotterypredictor.com to pick up your copy. Alright, that's it. I will be back with more Christmas winning rundowns shortly, but in the meantime, good luck, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.